Hello guys. Hmm. Uh, let's play block search. I mean, it's kind of fun. Let's see what this might be things that are not that good. Imagine Kitsune or Dragon Ball Look at this. I have aura. I am dancing in the ocean. I have aura. I'm dancing in the ocean. Look at this. Yeah. And look, I have katana. I have the ring also. And what is this called? What a kung fu. I have the kabuja. I have the kabuja too. I don't know what to do besides roller food. I'm going to chicken fly. Roller food is almost like the best food because you know why? You can walk on water when you awaken it. Yeah, you can walk on water when you awaken it. Yeah. So sometimes when you do the Buddha leap, and what is this? Is this boxing? Select only. I don't know what that does, but I'm gonna go roll it. Hopefully I get a good fruit. Jetty fruit user. I think that's it. Or we can use tomato also. Oh no, we can. All 60s remaining. Oh, that's good. Hopefully I get a mythical or something or legendary. Hopefully the best luck. Now creation is rare. Let me check. I'm gonna just put a question. I can trade now. Oh my god. Dude, it took me a long time to bad. Yeah. So, none of these guys are connected. Let's see. Loud as well. Let me ask him I need it. Yesterday, like last time, I got 3 Buddha fruits in a row. Yeah. Look at me and my dragons. My dragons look good today. Yeah. Okay. Mama, shrink. Let's go. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see what he puts down. He's not putting anything. I put. Oh my god, bro left open. Yeah. Topaz diamond. Yes, sir. No, I didn't. It's so hot. My phone is so hot. So, this guy's there. He might trade with me. Oh, it's baking, by the way. I think he doesn't want to trade with me. I'm gonna leave. Let's join a server and see. Another server. My phone is so hot. Yeah, it's so hot. I think it overheats, so I'm not. Sorry guys, I'm sick from last night's fan. Oh. Again, bacon bowl. This guy is new. I don't think he has anything. And I need it. Yeah. What's a god, boy? I bet you don't have anything good. I bet he doesn't have anything good. I bet. He doesn't have anything good. Now I'm leaving, but I don't know what is it. What? No, please. No. Me. What the heck is it? Nah. I'm saying nah. Bruh, I'm only giving away fruits to my fans, but I mean, like, I'ma do a challenge, rocket to, oh, here's love. Yo, that's like my 6th legendary fruit. Oh, I'm putting down some stuff. I'm putting Buddha down. Normal lightning for these two. Normal lightning for these two is good. He's getting. I think I'm getting. So he's gonna be. I'm gonna be right now. Imagine he does this. He did it, bro. Dub. Clap it up for him, bro. Clap it up for him. W trade. I'm gonna see what I said. Bro just gave me something very good. Let me check. Oh my god, but I only have a little bit left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I have the sound first. Oh. I don't have the beautiful. I think. Oh no, the lightning event's gone. Let's go, boys. Hey, yo, that's sus. Oh my god, I'm so sick. I'm sorry, guys. I'll wait. Let me do something. Oh, I'm back. Wow. I had to go do something. Now I'm going. Let's see. This way. Nothing. Should I eat the lightning fruit? Let's see. This guy traded it. I'm so sick, man. I hate being sick. Only lightning. Okay, let's see what you give. I'ma leave. This is trash and everyone's spoiling it. So yeah, no cap. No cap W please. One time I got man. No. Something just happened to me. So what? Oh. Hey, let me check. I did. This is kind of gonna be hard. Yeah, lightning is good, you know. Oh my god, this is like almost a W tray. I have one kitchen. 8 mil. Oh my god, bro might be for something in. There's no. Nah, I don't care. Just like that. So should I eat lightning? One. Oh, this thing. But still, it's good. What? Oh, this thing is good. Yeah, this thing is so cool. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. Like let's see, bro. This if I'm just surprised I got this, bro. I'm so lucky, man. I think I got something like that. Hey, that is not that cool. Okay. Let's see what it does. Let's go to that island. Yeah. I just like Ice Island, so I'm gonna call it Ice Island. Guys, I'm sorry I was sick, alright? This is a 21-minute long video. Make sure to like and subscribe when I end this video. Okay? I mean, like, it's okay if you don't like the episode. If you didn't like the video, no need to like and subscribe. So after I end this video, So let's try to upgrade my lightning orb. I'm doing this to be a big content creator when I grow up. Yeah. So make sure to like and subscribe when I end the video. Or right now if you like. Smash the like button there. Smash it. Smash it like you don't care about it. Or smash it like So hello car, I'm back. My grandpa is calling talking to me. So yeah, I had to do 3 videos because of him. He was talking, but he's still a W grandpa. Am I invincible? Okay, I'm invincible. Oh, I'm invincible. Oh, this level's up so far. Electric flash. Oh, I didn't know it was a thing. You can charge it too, I think. Bruh. Why is this so easy to level up? I can get to like level 250 at no time. Dragon. Yeah, this fruit, bro, if you all get this fruit, use it, man. It's so good. I reached 100 summer tokens? Whoa. Except I'm not invincible to the ones who are. Let me go to cafe and see. That's cool, man. That's cool. I think they are this way. Oh my god, I'm so sick today. I'm sorry. I'm really sick. I don't know how to I don't know. I'm gonna go to first. If I go there, are these guys trying to do a slap battle? contest or something. I don't know. That guy's hacking. I ain't got nothing to do. I don't know. Let's see if it is in the green zone. I'm playing it forever, man. About wins like battles for like a lot of tomato guns. It comes up every one. God, that was damage. I'm gonna do it again. Let's go. Oh my god, the light is pretty insanely overpowered. No god. Now what should we play? Oh yeah, I know what to play. I'm gonna make it fun for all of y'all to watch. I'm gonna play Forsaken. Let's Bacon 40. Okay. I don't know who this is, but yeah. Let me check. Minecraft Roblox edition. What the? Yeah, Forsaken. But why is Taylor popular now? He's popular for he's popular a lot. So let's go. Let's go. Let's try and be the killer in the game. So these in this game. There are hackers. There are 4 hackers and 1 killer. So the hackers are not the innocents and the killer is not the innocent. Both of them are teaming. So yeah, that's what's happening here. So this is gonna take a long time to load, isn't it? Oh, finally it loaded it. Look at my dance, boys.